to be? Hi, Mar. Do you want to be in my video? Say hi. 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 High five. Good girl. Good girl. Give Mama spin. How about spin? Good girl. Sit. You wait till I finish my bag raid, okay? What's that paw for? Asking? Okay, you wait for a while, huh? Mama will finish my bag raid. Okay? Is that fine? Alright? Hold on. Wait for a while. Now, guys, I'm gonna have what's in my bag. This is my regular bag. I bought this in ukay. How much is this, baby? Like 150, no?
I don't remember.
It's so nice, so comfy. I can put a lot of stuff inside. Marley, wait. I know you smell something there. Okay. Now, this is my regular bag. Let's see what a very clean woman put inside her bag. My asawa doesn't wanna bag raid me because he knows it's gonna be like, ooh, what is this? Yuck, baby. Marley, you gotta wait. I know there's something. Shh. You wait. Okay. First, let's open. There's no zipper. That's just the problem. There's no zipper there. So, here in the Philippines, it's not that safe. So, first is, I got my phone. It's just a regular phone. Not that snazzy. I know. Somebody's waiting here. She can smell what's inside my bag. I got camera for picture. I got these cameras when I was working in UAE, and it's already like 6 years old. I'm not sure, but it's very old now. It's regular Sony. This is my coin purse. I love this one. You can fit a lot of stuff, and it's just dirty. See, yonk. Yuck. Okay. I also got my card wallet / I put my bills right there, and I got one working. Luckily now it's a working pen. Hehehe. It's just a card holder, but I use it as money holder, so I can just also put my card there. I just put it inside my, even if I have a small bag, I just put it in. So my ID, as I said, I have to bring my ID all the time. And then I got wet wipes. I cannot go without wet wipes outside because it's important. Shh. Move out. Get out. Gotta wait, huh? And then, ooh, yay! I got Oreo for snacks inside the car when it's traffic and I'm so hungry. I'm marangry if I'm hungry. M&M. Uy, what is this? I got Snickers. I got Twix right there. What? And I now realize I'm a... Oh, guys. See that? I'm a McDonald's hoarder, guys. I put a lot of McDonald's ketchup right there. I take this home because I usually use it for cooking. How many is that? Oh, another one. Oh, my favorite candy, Snow Bear. No, it's all garbage. Another chocolate. What is this? Ketchup. Oh, Wendy's. Oh my gosh. I got tissue. Oh, this is clean, huh? But then I just put it inside. It's clean. And then, hello, for marketing, like resibo. Oh, what's that? Talakitok, pusit, tahong, hipon. Gigi, galunggong. Huy. And more receipt. Yucky. Another receipt. McDonald's salt. Receipt. Tissue. Receipt. Oh, what is that? I got dog treat. My goodness. Hala ko, grabe ka. Okay, this is the one that she's after. I got 5 peso there. Hola! This is what she's after. The cookie. If you're a pet lover, you will have like a munch. Hey, you gotta wait. Ask. Okay. Okay, go, go, go. And then, I got my asawa nose spray all the time because when it's in the traffic and it's so hot and then dusty. Oh, I got remote control. I got lipstick. I got alcohol. Another lipstick. Another lipstick. And ta-da! Oh, BJ's Daily Supplement of Medicine key. And another key. And one garbage right there. Yuck! One garbage. Snow bear. I put my garbage inside my bag. So I'm gonna throw it outside. And it stays there until I clean my bag. And I don't know when. And Marley she knows that she still has one more here. Hoy! What? Where is it? Where is it, man? Huh? Where? No more oil. All done. Mar, look at here. All done. What? What are you asking for? Mama, please. All done and no more. Bye. Bye. That's all my raid. Bag raid. Bye, Marley.